The terrifying story of Flight 236.
Checking fuel lines, confirm low pressure. Affirmative. Engaging cross steam, requesting descent. Descent request approved. Okay, speed is dropping, keep it steady.
Roger. Trying to find the best angle to glide?
Negative contact with Azores ATC, requesting immediate vector. The terrifying story of Flight 236. Negative contact with Azores ATC, requesting immediate vectors to any viable alternate. Checking fuel status again, Captain.
Approach clearance, vector 506. Confirm.
After all these years, I'm finally coming home to you.
We've been waiting for this moment.